Hi, come in. Hi there, I'm Michelle Green from Conversational Traveler, and welcome to my beautiful, beautiful stateroom on Celebrity Ascent. This is a concierge classroom, so please come on in. Let me give you a little tour. As you can see, it's quite spacious. It's a balcony stateroom. You have two beds, but they can be separated, which they are. I'm traveling with a friend, or they can be together. So come on over. What I also like about this room is that, if you're traveling with a young child or another person, some of the rooms, just like this one, got it. Also has a sofa with a trundle. So there's like extra rooms here for someone to sleep quite comfortably. And as you can see, there's also lots of storage. All my clothes are all in here. Lots of storage space. There is a refrigerator, so stocked minibar. And what I really like, especially with all my gadgets and with all the technology, charging station. And as you can see, it can accommodate like either the European, US plugs, USB ports, and it's also very neat and tidy. And sometimes you may have to work or just put on your makeup. And there's a beautiful desk with vanity right here with great lighting. So I will take you on to the bathroom. So I really like the bathroom. All right, as you can see, there is lots of storage here in the bathroom. See to the left and right of the mirrors, lots of storage space. And there's also a drawer that has additional storage and also has a blow dryer. You'll also see with the shower. What I like about the shower is it's quite spacious. Reach arm length, and I've got lots of room. Shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. I believe they use Bigelow. That's my bathroom. But now the other thing that's really important for me is the storage space. As I mentioned, there's additional storage here. And again, when you're traveling with others, it comes in really handy, even when I'm just by myself. And there's also a wardrobe with lots of storage as well. There's a safe and additional drawers. Lots of room for the shoes. There is also adequate storage under the bed for the suitcases, for those of you who are concerned about that. So it's just quite spacious and comfortable in the room. So for me, I like to start my day here on this beautiful, beautiful balcony. What I enjoy is that you can bring the outdoors in because it's the infinite veranda. So I can just pull it here. So this is great. So if you want a little privacy, the other person is sleeping, you can still do that. Also what I like is that easily to control. Again, bring the windows down. I personally like to sleep to the sound of the ocean and have that ocean breeze. That's really nice. It goes pretty low. It goes as far as down here, so it's quite low. And then of course there's blinds. So if someone's sleeping, want a little bit of privacy, you have this as well. Let's bring this up. So as I mentioned, I like to start my day here, end it a glass of wine, my lovely hot chocolate. But if you'd like to learn more about this stateroom, sailing on Celebrity, or cruises, please contact me on social media. Our handle is Conversational Traveler, and our website, conversationaltraveler.com. And again, my name is Michelle Green, and I'm with Conversational Traveler, and more details at the link below. Bye for now.